Damon here with IGN Science News. As humankind has progressed, we've created a lot of pollution. Scientists now believe other advanced civilizations in the stars would likely have created their own pollution, and spotting that pollution could be the key to finding alien life. According to NPR, Harvard University astronomer Avi Loeb and two colleagues will publish their alien pollution calculations in the September issue of Astrophysical Journal Letters, which you of course subscribe to. Explaining his plan to look for extraterrestrial pollution, Loeb says, the idea would be that when a planet like the Earth is passing in front of its host star, a small fraction of the light from the star would pass through the atmosphere and show potential evidence for these pollutants. The presence of unnatural industrial pollution could indicate intelligent life. Loeb throws in some science humor, saying people refer to little green men, but ETs that are detected by this method should not be labeled as green. The high-powered James Webb Space Telescope, which won't be ready until 2018, could spot pollution on an Earth-sized planet trillions of miles away, but the toxin level would need to be 10 times higher than Earth's. Loeb has theories on why aliens might be causing so much pollution. They could be trying to colonize a cold planet and intentionally forcing a greenhouse effect to cause temperatures to rise, for example. He also says it may indicate that we are looking at the ruins of a civilization that destroyed itself, and that would serve as an alarm signal of not being environmentally friendly. I'm Damon Hatfield, and this has been IGN Science News.
Want all your news in one place? Subscribe to our brand new channel, IGN News. We'll bring you updates on everything happening in video games, movies, TV, and tech all day, every day. Subscribe at youtube.com/IGN News.